Wismec Reuleaux RX Mini 80W Box Mod Review J-Bo Designs. Designed in the USA. The Wismec Reuleaux RX Mini is the first Reuleaux device specifically designed for portability, packing in a 2100 mAh integrated battery alongside a compact chassis that follows in line with the RX series, featuring a maximum output of 80W. Maintaining the core Reuleaux RX shape, the RX Mini is the smallest and most compact platform of the series, measuring in at 44.5mm by 35. Within the chassis is a 2100 mAh integrated battery, packing in tremendous range to size ratios and is charged through the micro USB port at a maximum current of 1A. The RX Mini features one of Wismec's latest small form factor chipsets, with an output range of 1 to 80W and an atomizer resistance range of 0.1 to 3. Full temperature control capability is also available, with native support for Ni200 Nickel, titanium, and stainless steel 316 heating elements, as well as an adjustable TCR mode for more precise adjustments. The OLED display follows suit with Wismec and Joyetech's current generation systems, with a large vibrant vertically orientated screen that neatly organizes information into two main sections. In order to maximize size and layout, the RX Mini's adjustment buttons are located at the base of the device in a convenient rocker switch configuration. Wismec Reuleaux RX Mini 80W Box Mod Review. Product features: RX Mini chipset, 1 to 80W output range, bypass mode, firmware upgradable, temperature control suite, Ni200 Nickel support, titanium support, SS316L support, adjustable 3-memory TCR, fine-tuned temperature output, 200 to 600 degree Fahrenheit range, 0.05 to 1.5 ohm atomizer resistance range, vibrant OLED screen, vertical arrangement, output temperature, output wattage, output voltage, material and mode selection, atomizer resistance, output current, battery life indicator, stealth capability, rotating screen, adjustment lock, split 3-button control face, oversized firing button, J-Bo engraving, recessed bottom adjustment buttons, rocker switch configuration, 2100 mAh built-in battery, micro USB charged, 1A charge, stainless steel 510 threading, spring-loaded gold-plated contact, dual circuit and reverse polarity protection. Product dimensions: 44.5mm by 58mm. Product includes 1 Wismec RX Mini Box Mod, 1 micro USB cable, user manual and warning card. Product recommendations: in order to use temperature control output, coils must be built using non-resistant wire. Advanced user item. Use at your own risk. Wismec Reuleaux RX Mini 80W Box Mod Review. Note: descriptions, specifications, and claims are based on manufacturer information. Information listed and provided are to be used at the sole discretion of the consumer and are not representative of analysis, testing, and verification by Vapor DNA and any and all of Vapor DNA's parent and subsidiary companies. There is an inherent risk with the use of any and all rechargeable batteries in any circumstance. Vapor DNA and any and all of Vapor DNA as parent and subsidiary companies are not responsible for damage if there is any modification of the batteries/chargers in any form or shape, including pack making. Vapor DNA and any and all of Vapor DNA as parent and subsidiary companies are not responsible for any damage caused by the misuse and/or mishandling of Li-ion, lithium-ion, LiPo, lithium-ion polymer, and any rechargeable batteries and chargers. Use special caution when working with Li-ion, lithium-ion, LiPo, lithium-ion polymer, and any rechargeable cells, as they are very sensitive to charging characteristics and may explode or burn if mishandled. Make sure the user has enough knowledge of Li-ion, lithium-ion, LiPo, lithium-ion polymer, and any rechargeable cells in charging, discharging, assembly and storage before use. Always charge on a fireproof surface. Never leave charging batteries unattended. Do not use any rechargeable battery as well as any battery charger if any visible damage is present, as well as if the cell or charger has been stressed through mishandling, accidental or otherwise, even if damage may not be visible. Always store and transport rechargeable cells in a safe, non-conductive container in a controlled environment. Dispose of all battery cells and chargers in accordance to local laws and mandates. Vapor DNA will not be held responsible or liable for any injury, damage, or defect, permanent or temporary, that may be caused by the improper use of a Li-ion, lithium-ion, LiPo, lithium-ion polymer, and any rechargeable batteries. Please have a basic understanding of the batteries you are using and how to care for them properly.